Hello and welcome to Tropee. I'm going to guide you through the creation of your first utility campaign. Let's start. The first thing you have to do is choose a collection. You can choose a collection you have already imported during your onboarding or add a new one with your contract address here. On this page, you can choose a utility template. We have a few templates for you from physical items, digital content, digital event, allow list, or promo code. Let's start with merch. This is the page where you can customize all the details about your utility. You can add photos, add a title, description, an expiry date, as well as some custom fields. For example, in this case, we can add size. And now we can create our utility. This is where you can target your holders. You can choose to select all NFTs or target your holders per properties, token ID, number of NFTs, holding time, original minter, or import a CSV with a selected list of wallets. Here we'll select all NFTs. And now we're creating the campaign, and your campaign is live. Now that you have created your first utility campaign, you can access your utility portal through this link. You can also customize it by clicking on this button or here on Customize Your Utility Portal. Now let's go to your portal and see what it looks like. So this is a place where your holders will be able to see and claim all your utilities. As you can see, we have the utility we just created. You have the images, the title, description, but also the requirements your holders need to meet to be able to claim this utility. As you can see here, I am eligible and I can start my claim. I select an NFT. I can enter all my details so I can receive my merch, add a size, verify my information, and now I need to sign in MetaMask in order to be able to verify the ownership of the wallet address. And my utility is claimed. On your utility portal, your holders will also be able to see the activity and see all the claims that have happened, and they will be able to use our utility checker in order to see if a utility for a specific token has already been claimed. On your creator dashboard, you'll be able to see all the active or expired campaigns you've created. You'll be able to hide them, edit them, or delete them. On our claims tab, you'll be able to see in real time all the claims happening for a specific campaign. You'll be able to see the details of the claim and of the holders. If you wish to export them, you can use our Export CSV tool. So this is it for the first tour of Tropee. We can wait to see the amazing utilities you will create with our tool.